Metal furniture is a popular choice for many homeowners and designers due to its durability, versatility, and modern aesthetic. There are various types of metal furniture available on the market, each with its own unique characteristics and design elements. In this video, while you look at our today's metal furniture collection, we will explore the different types of metal furniture, their features, and how they can be incorporated into different interior design styles. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metal furniture ideas you can use for your home decor. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Metal furniture has evolved into a diverse and versatile category, offering a wide range of styles, designs and functionalities. From sleek modern pieces to rustic industrial charm, metal furniture can complement various interior design themes. Let's delve into the world of metal furniture, explore different types and styles, their characteristics and the unique attributes they bring to home and commercial spaces. Number 1. Industrial metal furniture. Industrial metal furniture pays homage to its roots in factories and workshops. This style embraces raw and rugged aesthetics, featuring a sturdy construction, exposed hardware and weathered finishes. Common industrial metal furniture pieces include metal stools, tables and storage cabinets. These pieces often incorporate materials like cast iron, distressed steel and reclaimed wood for a vintage and utilitarian appeal. Industrial metal furniture lends an edgy and urban vibe to spaces, making it a popular choice for loft apartments and modern industrial-inspired interiors. Number 2. Tubular steel furniture. Tubular steel furniture revolutionized the design world in the early 20th century. This style, popularized by designs which are characterized by the use of bent and welded tubular steel. Such designs are sleek, minimalist and functional, with an emphasis on clean lines and geometric forms. The lightweight nature of tubular steel allows for easy portability and flexibility, making it suitable for both residential and commercial settings. Number 3. Aluminum furniture. Aluminum furniture is known for its lightweight nature, corrosion resistance and versatility. It is a popular choice for outdoor furniture due to its ability to withstand various weather conditions. Aluminum furniture can be molded or extruded into intricate shapes, offering endless design possibilities. It is often used in the construction of chairs, tables, lounges, and patio sets. Aluminum furniture is available in different finishes, including powder coating, which provides durability and a wide range of color options to suit different styles and preferences. Number 4. Stainless steel furniture. Stainless steel furniture is celebrated for its sleek and contemporary appearance, making it a common choice for modern interiors. The material's resistance to corrosion and durability make it suitable for high-traffic areas. Stainless steel furniture is often seen in kitchens, where it complements stainless steel appliances and fixtures. Tables, chairs, and storage units made of stainless steel exude a polished and sophisticated look. The material is also preferred in commercial settings such as restaurants and hotels for its hygienic properties and ease of maintenance. Number 5. Wire mesh furniture. Wire mesh furniture offers a unique and airy aesthetic with its open-work design and transparent quality. This type of furniture is typically constructed using metal wires or rods that are welded or woven to create intricate patterns. Wire mesh chairs, lounges, and tables are popular choices for outdoor spaces, as they allow for airflow and can resist weather conditions. In interior settings, wire mesh furniture adds a contemporary and minimalist touch, allowing light to pass through and creating an open and spacious feel. Number 6. Wrought iron furniture. Wrought iron furniture has a long history and is renowned for its durability and timeless appeal. This type of furniture is created by forging and hammering iron into various shapes and forms. Wrought iron furniture often features intricate designs, ornate details, and decorative elements. It can be found in the form of chairs, tables, bed frames, and garden benches. Wrought iron furniture adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to both indoor and outdoor spaces, making it a popular choice for traditional and classic design themes. Number 7. Mixed material furniture. Innovative designers often combine metal with other materials to create unique and visually striking furniture pieces. Mixed material furniture incorporates elements like wood, glass, leather, or fabric in combination with metal. For example, a dining table might have a metal base with a wooden or glass tabletop, or a chair might feature a metal frame with upholstered cushions. This combination of materials adds texture, contrast, and depth to furniture designs, creating a fusion of aesthetics and functionality. Well, reviewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked metal furniture ideas you can use for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.